Welcome to my Sunday Front. Today I have some packages. Um, and this haul is kind of a bigger haul than usual because I kind of just like thought about what I needed and wanted. So these are kind of things that I've been wanting. These omega 3, 6, 7, and 9. These are healthy, like for your skin. These help you with your um, fitness goals, and also they help you with your digestion. So these are like really important to me because they help you with almost every aspect of your health. And I think like if you're gonna buy something, you know what I mean? Like this costs $10, but like all the other gummies don't really have all the omegas in them. You know what I mean? So these have all the omegas in them. It's plant source. It says flaxseed, sea buckthorn, and it says omega 3, 6, 7, and 9 fatty acids, and you take 2 gummies. It says you take 2 gummies. Let's see what they taste like. They're peach flavored, and they taste just like a peach. I give these a 10 out of 10 because like they're really important. And like I said, they help with almost like every aspect of your health. So the next thing I got was these crackers. There's 4 packs in here for $1.79. These are cool because like you can eat these with anything and it's not that much calories. I also got this. This is like $4 for 16 bars. And I mean, for me, like, like I want a quick snack or something. They're this big, so it's not gonna like, there's only 80 cal. They're just Rice Krispie treats. And these come with different flavors. Chocolate, rainbow. They have like candy in them, and then just the original ones. So I mean, it's a good deal. They were on sale, so there was a coupon. Let's see what else. So I always get my toilet paper because like it's always on sale. So I get this for like $7. And this one's scented to fresh linen. See, I don't know. But I got this is a highlighter by Revolution Beauty. So this was on sale, I think for $5. Pretty good. I was gonna try it out for you guys, see how it works. Oh, and these, I got this pack, and it's like a small size, but I got this pack for I think under $7. And these are, I got these for like $7. These are cherry flavored Gatorade, and these are 80 calories. So they got like regular calories in them. And then I got it fit. This is a 2-piece set. It's pants because like it's so cold, like because of the storms been coming by. You see, um, it's got pockets and it's tapered. I think it's tapered, so they're kind of like leggings. They're really soft, like it's like cashmere. And here's the top. It's a hoodie. And it has like a drawstring. And it's long sleeve, of course. But it's so soft and it's like beige. So it's cute. Like, and it has like a detail of lace I didn't see at the sleeve. And that's pretty cute. That's a nice little detail. It's like a little elastic sleeve. And then I got this little package. Not sure what this is. Oh, I know what this is. I got more initial jewelry. And these are blinged out jewelry. They come with earrings. They were a dollar something each, so a dollar something with earrings. And I just wanted my initial MDF. So I mean, total it probably costs like maybe $5 or something. The tax. Yeah, it costs under $6 with tax. You get earrings too. So I got 3 pairs of earrings and 3 necklaces and 3 initials, which I'm just gonna put on one chain. So I don't know, that's cute. Then the last box, it's just like restock stuff. And I got plates because y'all were like, why don't you use plates anymore? And I also got this phone stand. I guess it looks like it was used and just taped it up. But I didn't order it used, so hope nothing's wrong with it. Ooh, it's all dinged up, all dusty. Somebody ran over it. So this is it. This is it goes all the way up. Let's see. It goes up like this. It's not that tall. I thought it was taller, but definitely disappointed in it. But I mean, I can use this for mukbang. And I have no complaints because I know I have a good use for it. I have cilantro leaves because I eat a lot of cilantro. And I also eat a lot of tomato sauce. So I got 2 cans of tomato sauce. And these 2 cans were, I think they were 50 cents each. And this hand soap I got for under $4. This is daisy scented hand soap by Myers Clean Day. And I like their products because they're like, they smell like, like botanical. Ooh, this smells really good. This actually smells like, it smells like industrial soap, the soap that you get like at like a public restroom. But I mean, I like my haul. Um, I got a lot. I probably got everything on sale, but I mean, you know what I mean. You gotta just keep your eye out and get things as 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 you see the deals. I think, and then eventually you'll just get you'll get the hang of it, and you end up being able to restock, and kind of have what you need on hand, and just go by ear whatever you think's going to be on sale. Wait until it goes on sale and then get it. And eventually you'll get the hang of it and you'll remember, you know, when stuff goes on sale um, per season, I guess. A lot of times it goes by season. So, thank you guys for watching. And I hope you like this video. Give it a like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. My son different. Bye-bye.